Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Beerakaya Pappu, a delightful and wholesome South Indian lentil stew. This comforting dish beautifully combines the subtle sweetness of ridge gourd with the earthy flavor of pigeon pea lentils, also known as tur dal. To begin, gather your main ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of tur dal, 1 medium-sized ridge gourd, and a selection of common spices from your pantry. This recipe is straightforward and yields a wonderfully flavorful meal. Now let's get our ingredients ready for cooking. First, wash 1 cup of tur dal very well, rinsing it several times until the water runs clear. Next, take your medium ridge gourd, peel its ridges and chop it into small, consistent pieces, about 1/2 inch in size. Also, finely chop 1 small onion, 2 green chilies for a touch of heat, and 1 ripe tomato. Have about a 1-inch piece of tamarind soaked in warm water, ready to extract its pulp. It's time to cook our Beerakaya Pappu. In a pressure cooker, combine the washed tur dal, the chopped ridge gourd, onion, green chilies, and tomato. Add about 3 cups of water, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a small pinch of asafoetida. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 4 whistles on medium heat. Once cooked, let the pressure release naturally. Then, gently mash the dal and vegetables with a ladle to achieve your preferred consistency. Adding the tamarind pulp now. The final step is tempering, which adds a burst of flavor. In a small pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, letting them splutter. Then, add 2 or 3 dry red chilies, a few curry leaves, and a final pinch of asafoetida. Sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour this aromatic tempering over your mashed Beerakaya Pappu. Serve this delicious and wholesome dish hot, with steamed rice or soft rotis for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.